Welcome to the very first edition of You Ask, We Answer. This is where we dive into some of the most frequent questions we get from our amazing clients. Questions that we know are on your minds too. Whether it's about booking your trip, travel essentials, or insider advice on destinations, we're here to make sure you feel confident and prepared for your next adventure. So let's jump right in and answer your questions. Planning a trip to the Philippines? Then you'll want to know about the eTravel system, a must for anyone arriving in the Philippines, whether you're a tourist, a returning Filipino, or an overseas worker. So what is eTravel? Basically, it's an online system introduced to make sure that your arrival is smooth and secure. Think of it like a digital arrival card that replaces the old paper forms. It helps authorities manage health, safety, and other requirements for incoming passengers. In this video, we'll show you every step of the process to successfully complete the entire form. Here's how it works. Step 1. Visit the eTravel website, eTravel.gov.ph. Remember, it's a government website, so it's completely free. You'll start by creating your account, enter your email address, set a password, and upload a photo of yourself. Next, fill in your personal information, including the name on your passport and your phone number. This part is simple, but be ready with your details to make it quick. Step 2. Now enter your travel details. Most travelers arrive by air, so select air and arrival. Then provide your flight details. Don't forget to add your address of residence while you're staying in the Philippines. Step 3. Input your health information and travel history for the past 30 days. And your final step, review the customs section and answer truthfully. Declare information about your luggage and any travel companions you might have. After signing, you'll have the option to include details for family members traveling with you. Submit and you'll get a QR code. Screenshot or print this code because you'll need to show it upon arrival. It's that easy, right? One big tip. Make sure to fill out the eTravel form within 72 hours of your flight to avoid any last-minute stress. It's required, so don't skip it. So there you have it, a quick guide to the eTravel system for your trip to the Philippines. Safe travels and enjoy your time in this beautiful country. Salamat and see you soon.